Hi, my name is Sasha Rondos, and this is my electrolyte presentation on body armor. Here's an overview on electrolytes. They are substances that have natural positive or negative electrical charge when dissolved in water. They help regulate bodily chemical reactions, and the electrical charges in electrolytes is what helps your muscles contract. Common electrolytes include sodium chloride and potassium nitrate, which are most commonly seen in sports drinks. Dissolving salt in water splits the sodium and chlorine atoms apart, which means they go back to being positively and negatively charged. Electricity jumps between the sodium and chlorine ions. How do electrolytes work in the body? Electrolytes are crucial for body processes, especially as an athlete. The brain sends electrical signals through the body to communicate. These signals are called nervous impulses, and they are generated by changes in the electrical charge of the nerve cell membrane. The changes occur due to movement of the electrolyte sodium across the nerve cell membrane. Calcium is an electrolyte used for muscle contraction. Sodium helps to maintain fluid balance during osmosis. This prevents cells from getting too full or shriveling. Electrolytes help maintain a regulated blood pH. How are electrolytes connected to neutralization reactions? Electrolytes dissociate into ions when dissolved in water, and these ions participate in neutralization reactions. In neutralization, hydrogen from the acid reacts with hydroxide from the base to form water. The remaining ions form the salt. Both acids and bases are electrolytes as they dissociate into ions. The resulting salt is also an electrolyte. Electrolytes enable the conduction of electricity in the solution, both during and after the neutralization reaction. Now, the sports drink I chose is body armor. And here's why body armor was made. Body armor was made to provide superior hydration. It is low in sodium and high in potassium. It contains natural flavors and no dyes. Body armor sports water is specifically made for those who partake in an active lifestyle. What does body armor say it can do for athletes? Body armor says it will provide superior hydration before, during, and after physical activity, or any time you need hydration throughout. How do electrolytes help athletes in their sports? They help them by maintaining electrolyte balances, maximizing the performance of the body's muscles, organs, and joints. As you can see in this picture, balances fluids in your body, maintains your blood's proper pH, and carries electrical signals from nerves to muscles. How much can too much electrolytes do? And why can it be dangerous? Too much electrolytes can be bad. An imbalance of electrolytes can mean the concentration is too high for the body. It can be too much for your kidneys and hormones to regulate. Some symptoms of having an excess amount of electrolytes in your system may include confusion, breathing difficulties, irregular heart rate, headaches, and muscle cramps. It is important to monitor your electrolytes since the trademark for essentially all sports drinks is that you don't have enough electrolytes. Here's a video.
Ah, the famous electrolyte. Sports drink commercials love talking about them, but what are they? Why do we need them? And what happens if we don't have enough of them? Electrolytes are salts. Actually, they're salts that we take into our body, usually by way of food. Electrolytes dissolve into positive and negative charges and conduct electricity in water. The most common one is sodium chloride, or plain old table salt. These are the other common electrolytes found in your body. Also known as ions, these charges are crucial because they control the flow of water in our cells and nerve impulses in our bodies. Ion channels in cell membranes regulate the flow of the positive and negative charges through cells. Water follows these charges and always goes to the side that has the greater number of electrolytes. Thanks, osmosis! Without the balancing act between electrolytes and water, our cells would shrivel up and die or burst from being too full. In nerve cells, a positive ion moving through an ion channel sparks off an electrical impulse, signaling our bodies to function properly. That's right, electrolytes control the constant impulses in our body to keep our
Now, here is my works cited page.